Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. In this recording, we want to share with you how to control losses. Now, when we're trading, it's very important to keep your losses to a minimum. Large losses will cause you financial as well as emotional damage, and both of them are going to wash you out of trading. Just as many people get washed out emotionally as do get washed out financially. If you manage these losses, then you have a higher probability of being able to become a successful trader. So what we're going to do is share with you 3 types of stops, and this helps you keep from losing your account in just a short period of time. Now, you may lose an account, but you will keep it a lot longer if you follow these methods of putting your stops on until you've gained the skills to be able to be a successful trader. First of all is trade management. That is putting a stop on every trade that you take so that you're not going to wipe out your account on one particular trade if it goes against you quickly. The account stop is a little known method of tracking stops, and we'll go through that. Then number of losses. Now this is when you had a certain number of losses on your trading session or in a trading day. Maybe you just quit trading for that session. So we'll go through these in a little more detail. If you've been trading here, your trade management stops, you would get in and put your stop. So if you took a trade right here going short, and you put your stop up here someplace, any of these areas up here would be good. You'd been okay, and you can manage it and still taking out some profit. But this is pretty choppy right here. This is a 5-minute chart, and you can see that if you are on the wrong side of these trades right off the bat, you're going to get whipsawed, and you're going to be taking a lot of small losses. Well, it's better to do that than lose your whole account. Now let's talk about the account stop. The account stop is where you take a percentage of your account, and you say I have a $10,000 account, and you say, okay, I'm going to set 2% of my account, or $200, as the daily loss limit. If I lose more than $200, I'm going to close all trades and wait and come back the next day and after I've regained some composure. Well, you want to keep it on the safe side maybe and just trade $100 or $150. You don't need to lose a whole amount. If you start losing $100 to $150, you got something you're doing wrong. If you've lost that much on one trade, you're doing something wrong because you got in improperly, or you set your stop too close, or there's something going on. So the account stop is based on a dollar amount. You hit that dollar amount for the day, you close all trades. Go figure out what you've done wrong, and then come back and trade another day. Now the number of losses. Many times people will take 4, 5, 6 losses in a row, and they just keep on trading. If you don't stop and figure out what you're doing wrong, you just keep on doing that same thing over and over again, and eventually you've lost your whole trading account. Here's a little illustration to share with you. If you lose a large portion of your account, how much work you have to put back into it to regain that money back. So for example, right here on this, if you've lost 25% of your account, then you have to actually increase the account by 33%. You don't have to increase it by 25%. You have to do more work just to get back up to break even. And then the 50%. You have to double your account size to get back up to a break even. And you can see that it's very difficult. If you go any more than 25-50%, it's really going to be hard for you to get all your money back in your account. So the things we want you to do is use stops to manage your account. Use a stop on every trade, and then set a dollar amount. That's another way of managing your trade so that you're becoming a good trader, not just clicking the button all the time. And then if you have a consistent number of losses, but say they're smaller than your account stop, maybe a good time to stop for that day. Figure out why you're not in tune with the market. Hope this was a help to you. Go to ForexStrategySecrets.com and check out some more information on trading and managing trades with stops.